Everyone, welcome to my channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of group theory, which is asked in csirnet Jan 2023. So question is asked, let G be a group of order 2023, then which of the following is true? And these all are the options. So here order of G is 2023, that is 17 square into 7, and we know one result. If group order of group is of form p square into q and p divides q minus 1 and q divides p square does not divides p does not divides q minus 1 and q does not divide p square minus 1, then group is abelian. This is a result which is used in this question. So we know the order of group is 223 and it is form of p square into q. So we see 17 does not divide 7 minus 1 and 7 does not divide 17 square minus 1. So by this result we can say the group is abelian. So which type of group is this? This group is of form 17 square into Z7 type. So this type of group is there, 17 square into Z7, that is Z1119 into Z7 type. So the group is this type and this type of group is abelian. And next, this is MSQ's type question, so two options are correct. Next, it is asked G is not simple or G is simple. So for this, we know that a group is simple if it have unique subgroups. That is, they have only improper subgroup. They don't have any proper subgroup. So by Silo theorem, we will prove that this group have not have unique. We will prove that group have unique subgroup. That order of G is 223 and this is of form 17 square into 7. So by Silo subgroup, 7k plus 1 divide 7 square, and for k is equals to 0, 1 divides 7 square. For k is equals to 1, it does not divide 7 square, and so on. We see for the group have only unique 7 SSG. Same as 17k plus 1 divides 7. For k is equals to 0, 1 divides 7. K is equals to 2. 18 does not divide 7. So here only 17 SSG is unique. And we know that if group have unique Silo subgroup, then the group is not simple. So our option is C is correct, that group have non-simple group as it have more than one proper subgroup. So this is all the solution. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and for more such video you can press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.